This video is about the introduction of conveyor belt metal detector breakdown parts by part introduction. We can see the whole construction material is 304 stainless steel construction, including all the screws. This part is search head, and this part is touch screen. We have 4.3 inch and 7 inch touch screen optional. This is the first kind of touch screen we have, and we also have another touch screen available. Look at here. This is the infrared emitter. This one and this one. It comes in pairs. What does it used for? It can contain numbers, passing the product and counting the numbers. And the second function is anti-interference function. So it can improve our metal detector's performance. And look at here. This is the full plastic shock absorber. It can isolate the vibration. It can also improve our machine's performance and stability. We have 4 of this one. And then look at here. This is the conveyor belt. So the product we put in the conveyor belt and run through the conveyor belt and detect. This is a conveyor belt construction. And here, this one and this one is the guided race. It can prevent the product from falling off the conveyor belt. And under the conveyor belt, we can see we have a supporter. We have supporter to the conveyor belt. It can help prevent the conveyor belt colliding into each other, so it can smooth the conveyor belts running. And we also have conveyor belt adjust screws, so it can adjust the direction of the conveyor belt, make it into the right, running into the right direction. This part, this one is the motor, and here is the synchronous belt protector. This is the belt, and next to it is the belt protector. This one is the electronic control box, and usually we can have our emergency stop button on the electronic control box as well, and also the motor speed switcher on the electronic control box as well. So now we can open the box and we can have an overview look at the box. For this part, this is the relay part, and for this part is the switching power supply for the machine. Since this machine have a reject devices, so this part is for the switching power supply for the reject devices if we added reject devices. And this part is the leakage switch, and for this part is the switch. We can look at here. This is the cooling gaps, so it can help cooling the heat in the electronic control box. And also we have four of these waterproof port connector, so it is waterproof, so it has good performance as well. The green light. The green light here is turn on and off, so click this button, press this button, so the machine will turn on and will turn off. For this one is connect to the electricity port. This machine we add reject devices, so we have this one, air source processor. processes the air source. And then for this one, it's the electronic magnetic valves. And then here, this is the cylinder part here. So it connects to the reject devices. For this one, it's the bell dump reject devices. So it can reject the contaminant product if detect the metal. Okay, we are going to demonstrate. This is the product we're going to detect. And here is the standard test card. Now we're going to demonstrate the product detecting parts. First, we will turn on the machine. Look at the touch screen here. For this one, it is designed in the Russian language. You can see here. This is the turn on button, run. And we can also have another language available, Italian, English, and Spanish, French as well. We can custom made all the other languages. So we're going to test this product first. Click the run button, put the product, run through it. Because this product is okay product, so it will not alarm. This is the standard test card. This is Cooper 2.0 millimeter. Put on this product. Will run on the conveyor belt. Detect. And bell down, it will reject the contaminant product. This one is the ferrous 1.5 millimeter. Put it on the product and run through the belt. Detect metal and reject automatically. So in this video, we introduce the breakdown unit of our conveyor belt metal detector and its function and with reject devices.